back with another video with that guy who hasn't started recording yet, sadly. And instead of him getting loads of things like I did, he decided to get this. This. What's in this, bro? What's in this?
Lollies.
3 different lollies. And I got these. These. And these. I got a Freddo, a Kit Kat, sour strawberry glimpses. We both had the same exact money. Excuse me. Someone made a move. That was a weird face. That better not be my like the picture photo screen. And we're at the same park we always are. But it's like really dark and late, and we're kind of scared. You take a photo yet? Yeah, he's doing nothing. I'll meet my Freddo first. He's not. I don't think he's going to end up recording. I think he's just making a picture video. What's my Freddo so horrible? Mukbang. This guy's the mukbang.
The thing is with perps, if you know, you know.
Do FYK.
My phone's 3%. I can't make a video, guys.
I'm not good.
Come on, pop this bad boy open. What's this flavor? I'm guessing strawberry.
Strawberry.
Strawberry? Oh, I have to push it up. It's called a push pop.
It's not.
Yes. Yo.
It's strawberry.
Right. Next one is like greenish bluish, so I'll say
Sour?
raspberry.
You said greenish bluish?
Yeah.
Oh, it's blue raspberry. You said greenish, so I was about to say sour apple.
They're not sour.
Green apple. Oh, story time. When I was like this high, I used to get this thing called a Hulk slushie,
Oh, they were great.
where it was like a bunch of green stuff mixed together. I don't know what the green things were except for sour apple. That's the only thing I knew.
Watermelon, maybe.
Oh, maybe watermelon. Yeah,
Cola. I see cola. I thought it was cherry.
What was the first one?
Cola. Strawberry, blue raspberry cola.
Ooh.
I would say my favorite is blue raspberry. Wait, what if I do all of them at once? Boom. Four-way. Formation. Coordination!
Wait, let me do this one. It's how real, man.
No.
That one's not up the way. And that one's it's time to eat my.
Coordination!
Oh. Showed him. He's eating all 3 of them at once.
Hello, guys. We got blue raspberry, strawberry, cola. Yeah, my favorite's definitely blue raspberry.
Ooh, look at this.
Can I try it, please?
Yeah.
Guys, he got cookie dough chunky Kit Kat. If it's fire, we'll tell you and we'll try it.
If it's not, I'm putting it in the bin.
No, I'll have it.
No, I'm kidding. Do you not see
I'm a
it?
big bag, Ellen. Burpees. Burpees sounds like burpees. It's ready 33. Or a whole line. Or it's
2 lines.
Alright, you ready? 3, 2. It's just more like toffee.
Coffee.
Toffee.
Yeah, this is like not cookie dough.
Yeah, it's toffee, guys. But look at the way it looks. If you can see that. It's too nice too.
Well, we got scammed.
Wait, pause. Pop a cup. Yeah. I don't know if we can get up there in 15 minutes.
We can. What time is it? 24.
Time to have some cola. Cool. I think it's wait. So get blue raspberries definitely first.
No.
That's first.
And then that one and that one.
And then
Oh, reading.
I don't know. What's better, strawberry or cola?
Cola everywhere. Wait.
No, if you try them, the cola doesn't taste like cola.
He let me have a taste of all of them. Pretty good.
Which one's the best?
What is it? Oh, chocolate. Well, that's a bit closer. Personally, I think strawberry's the best. Cause cola's always the best. But on that tastes like a butt. I do that.
I think strawberry better than cola, yeah.
When I'm downstairs in my dad's house today, I'm gonna start eating these. Eating these. I'm putting them in my pocket. I better say where'd my phone go?
This is moving now.
Huh?
This is moving now.
What?
So we can film when we're riding.
No, but I'm not filming when riding.
I'll film.
No. Who likes filming when riding? Like, comment in the comments. That's what the comments are for. Put an alarm on for 45.
45?
45. 45. Like, I hate filming when riding because, like, if I fall, my phone is going to get destroyed. So I like just walking. But in the comments, type if you like watching me ride my bike, walk, ride my bike, personal view, like you can see my face, or my view and you can like see like this when I'm walking. Or do you like me walking around? Or biking or walking in the comments. We're on this play structure thingy and hopefully it's gonna hold my phone. It can hold my phone, guys. We need to be a bit far away, so like we can get guys, that was almost a fault. Is it cracked? No, guys, it's not cracked. Like, I'm falling as well. I'm falling. Where should my phone go? What are you doing?
Chocolate bar?
What did you do this for a chocolate bar? I feel like he's about to fall. My two took a pee.
Why are you not eating your Freddo?
I ate my Freddo first. You did. Yes, I did. Like, see if we go back. Like, if you watch my when it's out, if you watch my new video, I'll say first I'm eating my Freddo. Just set it there.
I already bought him a Freddo, a packet of sweets, and that chocolate bar.
Wait.
Houdini.
And like, I give you make all my chocolate bar, guys.
Not all.
You know,
Must move your big fat butt.
so the camera can see me. Too close. Why are we up here? Why do we not just go to our spot?
I don't know.
I can't get up. Okay, we'll come back when it's our spot. We're going home. Well, to my house because he's having a sleepover. my god.
We're gonna make videos at like 3 in the morning.
Don't ask questions. But
Don't ask what if it's dark.
yeah.
Bobby, I'll film you going down the pool, then you film me.
Bye, children. No, you're not filming me going down the pole. You're not going down the pole. Fine. Go down the pole.
Give me this after. Wait, stop kicking me because my back hurts. What colour is my tongue, guys?